Hello, hello, and welcome back to Jillies Nails, where I do nail art on natural nails every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And today we are doing a very basic stamping tutorial. So if you are new to nail stamping, this one is for you. I have used a peel off base coat on my nails here because I'm doing a bunch of manicures over the course of that weekend. I think I did 8, something like that. That's what happens when you work full-time and you have a YouTube channel. That color, by the way, was Fearless from Sinful Colors, and this one is Pewter from Sinful Colors. I mean, Maniology, not Sinful Colors, sorry. I have to give you a big fat stain warning on this Fearless from Sinful Colors. It stained my nails the cutest little shade of pink. I don't know, you'll have to let me know in the next video I post if you notice the staining. Pretty pink compared to my natural nail bed, and it didn't stain the tips, it just stained the bed. It was weird. So I am going in with pewter here and stamping different designs all over the nails. I'm just using these geometric patterns, and if you notice, I'm just going to cover the pattern with polish, let the stamper fall and just kind of roll out of your hand. You're just guiding it across the stamping plate, and then when you pick it up, press straight up and straight down. You should get your images that way. And again, just do gentle scraping. I know it looks harsh when people do it in videos, but it's really not. It's a very light scrape. And sometimes if you have problems with the scraper, like if you can't get an image to pick up, it might be the scraper. You might need to use a soft one instead of a hard one. And they do come in different flexibility, so it's worth trying out. Also try stamping or scraping in different directions, up and down or side to side. All of those things can make a difference in how well things pick up. You just line everything up. You can see it through the window. I'm sorry I cannot get that on video with the camera setup that I have. But after I have everything stamped, I am going to go through and peel off this latex barrier. I use the one from Queen, P-U-E-E-N. Some people say it smells fishy. I don't think so, but I like making latex boogers. See, that's latex booger. Just peel it all off. That is really the easiest way I've found to get rid of that. Once you get one up, just use the little booger from the first one to grab onto the other one and pull it right off. Otherwise, you sit there picking at your nails. Pick, trying to get it to peel up from your skin. I did use a matte top coat for this. It is the Wet n Wild matte top coat. I believe I used 2 coats on this one because I wanted to make sure it was very matte. What's your favorite matte top coat? I'm curious. I have a gel one that's really good, but I'm not into gel nails right now. So there is the whole design. Very basic, very simple. Let me know what you think, and if you're new, please feel free to ask me questions. I'm always happy to help when I can. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see another new beginner nail stamping tutorial, click in the upper right hand corner. Bye! Did I say thanks for watching? Thanks for watching. Why are you still here? I said bye.